Hi guys, it's Ray. I ran to Walmart today to renew my fishing license, and while I was there I picked up a bunch of Doorables for pens. I do have a bunch coming from a TikTok shop, but I wanted to get some in the meantime because I don't know how long those are going to take. And I do have a lot of Tumblr stuff going on today too. I'm on day 3 of a migraine. Like, it's mostly gone, so I'm trying to push through today to get some stuff done. So, they only had one little single. My store hasn't had single packs, which are actually 2 or 3 inside, in a long time. They're not as cost effective, but I wanted some so I can work on pens while I wait, so... And I just totally opened this from the back, but that's okay. There's just 2 in this one. So I think I'm going to open them all. And then open them all. And then we'll go through them. How does that sound? Having a monster. Try and perk myself up a little bit. So these are the 100th anniversary ones. I got 2 of those, and they only had 1 of these again. So I only got 1 of them. Obviously, because they only had 1. And I believe the small pack was also the 100th anniversary ones. So, these have a little clever zip strip, which failed. The glue on that is not good. These ones you can get 5, 6, or 7. I, like, never ever get extras. So, 1, 2, 3, paperwork, whoops, which I ripped, 4, 5, how many figures? 5, 6, or 7. So maybe they don't always put one in the middle one, because that doesn't make sense because there's 6 doors. But we'll just rip the packaging and double check. And then these ones are also 5, 6, or 7 packs. That was 3. This is 4 in paperwork. 5, 6, and 7. 2, 4, 6. Yep, that was 7. Which again, there's 6 doors, so 1, 2, 3, 4, paperwork, 5, and 6. So let's start opening them. And I think this was the last one I didn't open yet. So we'll just start with this one. I don't know. Somebody? Next one. So I got 2 dudes so far. A little Cinderella. This is, he's an older duck. He's a science teacher. He's got a little beaker. And Tiana in a silver dress. That one's cute. And a furry doggy. Flocked. Some of the ones on the 100th anniversary one are flocked. Little fox. Fox. No idea. Another teacher though. Looks like he's got a chalk or a marker in his hand. One of the mice from Cinderella with a little needle. How cute is that? I feel like I should know this Monsters Inc. though. This one's going to be really hard to drill out. This one may have to stay as a topper. Campus one. Basketball. The last campus one is Dale. Moana. This is cute. Another little fox, but in a little blankie. Okay, so a dinosaur, but not a green Rex. Anybody? I'm gonna have to look at the paperwork. No idea. Sitting on a little airplane seat, maybe? Cute, though. I do have some cute ones to work with here. No clue. A little baby fairy. I almost thought she was Wendy for a minute, but I don't know. I'll have to look. I'll have to see if I can read any of the paperwork. This thing looks like a scary coconut. Anybody? Oh, the little binoculars from Toy Story. Cute. And very last one we have is another scary coconut looking thing. But green this time. So that is all of them. I'm going to drill some holes so I am ready to build some pens. I'm going to try and drill through this one. I don't think I've mentioned this at all because there is an alternate way to do these if you don't want to drill holes. But I don't particularly care for it. I like them as beads better. But you can, because they do all have the little holes started, you can actually thread them on the top of the pen as just a topper. And I would glue them on if you were going to do that, but I prefer the hole all the way through bead style. I just, personal preference, I feel like they look more finished and they're not just floating out in space when they're not toppers. Obviously I would screw this on down to about here, but personal preference. If you're making them, keep in mind you can make them this way if you're not comfortable drilling a hole all the way through them. I would recommend gluing them onto the top though. But anyways, that is it for my Doorables haul today, and I will see you next time. Bye.